it right there, you guys. Grab that, girl.
Oh, my flavor.
It's your flavor, huh?
Oh, no.
Tuna, they said the second pig is yours.
Well, stick him in Jimmy's room. Hide for you. No, put it in Jimmy's room. Put his room? Okay. Been having big girls.
Girl, give one to Uncle Lau'S. Okay, Jim. It's all on you. You say you Iron Chef. Iron Chef Seattle. He's gonna cry. Curtis, tell Sophia it's his turn.
$5?
Tunas. Uh-oh, $5.
That's expensive, man.
$5?
No. Come on, you guys.
What is this?
So Isaiah, Hookah, Bo, and Wubby. You guys just missed the first pig.
It's got rocks.
Lots of rocks.
Did you guys do that?
Put it outside.
It's gonna go over there on the grass when you guys dig your guys' hole.
It's supposed to go up on top there.
They beat them and drown them. Yeah, Lau and Po. Dad hit it with a hammer. Hi, Juicy. Come.
Look at the pig.
Look, Coda.
Watch his hair against this flame over here.
There's a piggy. Where's Coda?
Right here by the flame.
Coda.
Potato?
Upstairs. Touch it.
No, don't scare it.
Coda.